cheeky chocolate look.
Yep. Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. Today, guys, we're gonna be opening up some Shopkins packs. One sec, guys. Yeah, guys. Whoa, oh my God, guys. Whoopsies, guys. Guys, subscribe to Crossbow and give him big thumbs up and subscribe, guys. So, guys, these are all happy places. Guys, let's open up the first one. Let's open it up.
Do you like them? Or you didn't get them yet?
I'm getting. I'm recording. Yeah, guys. So.
Tristan,
What
kind of Shopkins did they have?
Happy places.
Oh, really? That's cool. Do you even know how to get them open? Do you need my help? Icky. Can I help you? Can I help you open the plastic and then you can do the rest?
And also, I want you to hold this because I can't really hold it, control it. So can you hold the camera in front of the Shopkins, please?
Where's the Shopkin at? Here?
Yeah.
It's in here.
Yeah. You just make sure you hold.
Okay. Do you know about these Shopkins? Like, oh, they have pets in them. Can you just like prop it up? Here, why don't you just prop this up?
Okay, guys. So we have some shop pets.
I think it's on you.
Oh, guys, we got this one.
I let the cat out in the garage. And she started scratching at the door eventually.
That's the one right there.
I'm like, that
And we're gonna open the next one.
Yes, she will try.
Let's open the other ones, okay? Okay.
He could have warned me and told me that he wouldn't sit still for a diaper change.
Oh my God, he was aggressing a freaking alligator.
I'm like, okay.
That's usually when I take it to my advantage to give him something he can't usually have.
I gave him the remote and he lay still. I laid him on the couch and he just was like all over the place. And I'm like, holy cow.
Here, babe. Have fun.
That's what you get in your first one.
But it comes with shop pets.
I didn't even know these existed.
No, I did. We got a clown now. She is a queen. Because let's see if there's any limited editions.
Crimson is her name.
Okay.
They're all the same, bud.
Oh, no, there was limited edition.
No, I think the papers are all the same, see? These editions.
Yeah,
So all these papers are going to be the same.
I'm gonna let your pants off. You're a little warm.
Yeah, he was getting warm. It's warm in here, though. I'm hot.
So we got this one.
Unless it's just because I was chasing his little hiney all over.
I'm sorry.
I got this one, Mommy. What's her name?
Little wings.
Is she
Yeah, little wings. She's just a regular.
Yeah, guys, and his little wings.
Water? You need more water. I used all your water in the bag.
He was just following Tegan all over the place. He was loving it.
Did you have a follower?
Did you say thank you to Casey?
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Are they what you expected then?
Well, he doesn't have any of these, so they're all going to be new. I didn't even know these were a thing. Is this like a new season?
No, they're called shop pets.
It's called Happy Places.
Ooh, I love this one. Or this one. Oh, this one looks cuter.
What's that one?
It's a kitty cat.
Lippy.
Lippy. Okay, guys, here's our last one, guys. So, guys, cross your fingers to see if we'll get a limited edition. Mommy, could I get a limited edition?
Sure. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Did you pee already? He's peed already in there.
He peeks around the corner.
You can smell his pee.
You can smell his
Wait, guys, this one's gold. Wait, guys, is this one gold? Does that mean limited edition? Chance of limited edition?
Yeah, you got a blue one already, a little turkey.
So we have a chance of finding a limited edition, guys. This was not a limited edition.
Walk by in
Yep,
77
I know.
yards.
And why do you let it go?
Well, he only has a crossbow, and he's only sighted in at 50 yards, so he would have never made the shot. He said it was at least a 12 point. Biggest buck he's ever seen, but it did come in far enough for him to shoot, and then it followed a doe. He says he's shaking. I'm like, well, you'll never see him again. His crossbow's only sighted in at 50 yards. You can't really shoot more than that with a crossbow, and of course the thing stops at 77 yards. Charles would have never made the shot.
This one feels weird. Let me feel it.
So we're having
Stop.
Wheels on the Bus, macaroni and cheese. So I'm making my Grammys around mac and cheese cookies. Keith is doing barbecue sliders, hamburgers. And Amanda's doing pulled chicken sliders. Don't listen
Wait.
to that yet.
Wait,
My mom is doing
wait, guys.
I'm doing Old Mrs. Hubbard dog bones, chocolate
Shin.
covered pretzel rods. And I don't know what else.
That's so fun.
I don't know.
What's the pig's name? What's the pig's name? But the sheep is Baba, right? That's who I drew.
Oh, now I'm done.
Okay. Your jelly sandwich is out there on the table.
I don't even know if that's its name. They just say Baba Black Sheep.
Okay, guys. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video.
They do, but-
And guys, peace.